Okay, we're doing something a little bit different today. I'm not putting out a build video on my trailer. I'm doing a shout out to Jay Poore and the DIY camper community, Teardrop Camper Community on Facebook, and also DIYTearDrop-Jay YouTube channel. Now what's going on here is Jay and members of the DIY camper community, Teardrop Camper Community, have initiated a humanitarian build. They're going to give away a Ben Roy square back trailer to one deserving recipient, and they had a selection of between 5 finalists, and if I'm not mistaken, the winner was Cricket Slade. I believe she's been in Texas and maybe heading to Jay's neck of the woods up by Detroit to work on the build. Now the way this is going down is members of the DIY Teardrop Camper Community are donating parts and funds to build this camper, and Jay and anyone in his area who is able can come and help build it. Jay's built, I guess, 8 or 9 of these trailers, and I believe he was the original founder of the DIY Teardrop Community on Facebook. If you care to find out more about this, you can join the community. You have to be approved, but if anything you could give, small donations. I believe they're trying to raise $4,000 for material and supplies, and at this point they're at $2,800, and Jay and his helpers will be donating their time and tools and build location. So I'm not sure of this, but I believe you have to be a member of the DIY Teardrop Community to donate on the Facebook site. But if you go to Jay's DIY Teardrop-Jay YouTube channel and like and subscribe, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to watch this build and get to know this group on a more personal basis. If you don't want to go to that extent, you could comment on my video, and I could make arrangements for you to get your donation to Jay. And so I just like to give a shout out to Jay, and go over to this YouTube channel, like and subscribe, leave your comments, and if you would like and subscribe to my channel and leave comments down below, I'd appreciate it. Another channel where I've gotten a lot of information is camp and camera teardrop builds. So if you're at all interested in these small campers, check out some of the builds on YouTube. Also, the Facebook channel or group is a vast warehouse of knowledge. All people who have done builds, or you have people with electrical experience, building experience, trailer experience, all there on the channel, and they're all willing to help you with your build. And there's no judgment. They don't put up with any kind of shenanigans on the site. It's all professional help, and not professional in the way of they're professionals, but in their attitude toward helping people out. So there is just, I can't go without bringing up one trailer related item. I rushed home today to beat the porch pirates, and I got this box that has something interesting towards my build here. I can get it open. Back in about 2015, 2016, I ordered my wheels and tires and axles and a set of fenders, and I thought the fenders were in the stored tire boxes, but they weren't. So I didn't get any fenders, so I bit the bullet and ordered another set. Here's what I'm going to be using for fenders. They look like they're nice, sturdy construction from Southwest Wheel. But lesson learned, that's 2 orders and 1 set of fenders. So we'll see you in a week or so with another update on our teardrop build. Thanks for watching.